Welcome to Lampang, Thailand at a Metro Roadshow where we're going to showcase today the Global Operator Challenge. We want to find out who is the best operator in Thailand, showcasing our 320 next-gen excavator and utilising 2D grade. We're going to find out who the best operator is in Thailand. You have to be able to dig a 900mm trench. And we're going to watch you and we want to challenge you. We want to find out who the best operator is in Thailand.
We are at the Lampang, Thailand for the Caterpillar Global Challenge. And this is about gearing up all the skillful operators worldwide who will compete for the Global Operator Challenge to showcase their skill and partnership with the man, machine and technology.
Welcome to the Operator Challenge in Lampang. If you win the challenge here, you will join us in Thailand on the 7th of July. And if you are the winner of Thailand, we will bring you to Japan on November this year and to compete among the best in Asia. If you be the winner of Asia, we will bring you to the US next year, April.
Are you get up?